is going to consist of Tofurky original Italian sausage, which in my opinion is really good. I enjoy this flavor, and it's really cool if you want to do spaghetti. You could cut these up and put it in with your spaghetti. So I'm going to cut this up. I'm only going to use one, and I have one left. They have regular hash browns that doesn't have really anything in it, just cut up pieces of potato, but this has the onions and peppers in it. In my opinion, when my dad would make hash browns, he would always have something in it, whether it was meat and the hash browns, or the hash browns, meat, and some kind of vegetable. So that's what I'm going to be cooking up. And I don't have a pan at the moment, so I usually just basically put things on a cookie sheet for the time being and throw it into the oven. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And as you can tell, I have a pretty small oven. My whole kitchen is pretty small. Alright, so I just got this out. I'm going to go ahead and plate it up. And I may use a little bit of this Daiya cheese. It's the mozzarella style one. Now, again, I've been eating healthier for about a few months now, and I don't mind eating fake meat and eating fake cheeses, but I try not to do this a lot because in my experience, this might be a little bit too much information, but I'm just trying to be real with you guys. That you should have a bowel movement every day, or just about every day. If you don't, you're probably most likely backed up either from eating too much meat or too much cheese or too much of something. So in my experience, if you eat too much even fake meat, I'm not sure about the cheese because I haven't ate too much cheese. Like, I've had this bag for a pretty long time. It's still good and everything, it's still in date, but I don't eat this a lot. Now, there was a time whenever I began eating healthier that I would get the fake, the black bean patties, and I would either cut them up and put them in something, or eat it as a sandwich or something. And in my experience, that kind of blocked me up. Again, I'm trying not to share too much information, but I'm just trying to be real. And so I will eat fake meat or fake cheese every now and then. I don't do it a lot. I try to eat mostly fruits and vegetables. I wanted to share with you guys another option that you could definitely do if you're totally against cheese, or if you're trying to just cut out cheese altogether. There is this nutritional yeast flakes that you can get, and it's a pretty good dupe for cheese. It kind of has a cheese flavor and just kind of like a yellowy sort of, if you can see that, color to it. But I bought mine from Walmart, and it's a good source of, you can see here, your B vitamins, protein, and fiber. So, you know, you can just sprinkle some of that on top. It doesn't melt or anything like cheese would normally do, but it gives you a pretty good cheese flavor. Like I said, I've been eating healthier for a few months, and I think I'm gonna do a separate video on like how to eat healthier on a budget, and you know, just things that you can switch out animal products for. Alright, so here is meal number 1 all finished, and it looks super good. I'm so hungry. So on this side you have the hash brown, fake sausage and cheese mixture. Cooked these vegetables last night, so it's like a vegetable teriyaki stir fry. So it's nothing but vegetables. I didn't put any cheese or anything on it. And I have my coffee from earlier. I don't think I have too much left. I'll probably go ahead and make a second cup. And then of course just some water. That's basically what I drink all day, is water or tea. And I'm going to watch some Kings of Queens while I eat my food. So yeah. Alright, so it is a little past 3, and I kind of had a very small snack before deciding making this smoothie. Almond butter, as you can see, for creaminess. Some, I get these frozen about call them raspberries, but I get these frozen bags of raspberries because it's a little bit better on the wallet. And then I just basically break in half about 2 bananas and freeze them in a freezer bag. And then this time I usually just do I have a light vanilla. It's by the same brand, but it's light vanilla, and it's kind of close to regular milk. But I decided to go a little fancy and do some dark chocolate almond milk. High protein, and it says for weight loss, but let's just be real. I mean, unless you're someone who constantly works out, I mean, you can't eat this and then expect to sit around and, lose weight or whatever. But that's not the reason why I bought it. I bought it because it's basically like a meal replacement. So, just in case I need a quick something, I figured this would be the best thing for me because it's really healthy for you. You get vitamins from it, you get, I believe, minerals, you get a lot of stuff from it. I'll get that to focus, and you can just kind of pause on the screen and hopefully just read what this is all saying. You get your amino acids. This is just in all a really great brand. I usually just get the protein powder, and the reason why I like this protein is because unlike your other protein powders, this powder you can eat basically every day and not worry about, oh, it's gonna turn into fat, or oh, it's gonna do this or that like other protein powders will do to you. This does not have whey protein in it. It's vegan, it's gluten-free, dairy-free, soy-free, so it's perfect. Alright, so this is the finished product. If you've ever had double chocolate ice cream, then this is such a good dupe. If you're looking for something that is dairy free and is basically super good for you. What I would recommend doing is freezing a couple bananas, maybe 3 bananas, and making like a banana ice cream out of it by just blending the bananas maybe with a little bit of almond milk, and possibly using, instead of just plain almond milk, use a chocolate almond milk, and then use that protein powder, and you basically have an amazing some amazing ice cream. This has been what I kind of eat in a day video. It just varies from day to day what I eat and how much I eat. Thank you so much for watching. It really does mean a lot to me. Especially if you're new, definitely go ahead and like and comment down below. And go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell to get notified for when I upload videos. I'm going to end it on this right here. If you guys would like me to do a review, or would like to see me do a review on this protein powder, then, you know, leave comments down below, like the video. You can tweet me. All my links are down below, but yeah, I hope everybody has a great night and a great day if it's daytime where you are. I will see you guys in my next video.